Miss Huddle.
Hey, Miss Sexton.
Can you help me with my math problem?
I would want to do nothing more.
Oh, thanks. My problem's 458 plus 97, and I can't figure this one out.
Well, let's think about it, Miss Sexton. 458 isn't real close to the next 100, but I see that 97 is. How far away is 97 from 100?
97, 98, 99, 100. Oh, 3.
Miss Sexton, how about we get 3 from 458? So why don't you write 97 plus 3 equals 100?
97 plus 3 equals 100.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now, since we have that, we can say 100 plus 458. Yeah, you could write it like that.
Oh, that's easy. Oops.
Super easy peasy.
That is 558.
Mm-hmm.
Is that my answer?
Well, it's close to your answer.
Okay.
But what we did, Miss Sexton, is we used 3 of the numbers from 458 to make the next 100. So, since we have 3 extra numbers in our problem, we have to take 3 away from our answer.
Oh, so since I added 3,
right,
I have to get rid of that because that was an extra 3?
This is called the compensation strategy. So we make up, we compensate for what we borrowed by taking it back.
Okay, so since we added 3, we have to take 3 away. Okay.
And we compensate for what we borrowed.
All right, well, I know that 8 minus 3 is 5, and so 558 minus 3 would be 555.
Lucky 555.
Let me see if I can try another problem like
That'd be great.
Okay.
You're doing such a nice job.
Thanks. Oh, I don't know how to use this app. All right, so we figured that out. Now we have 472.
Okay.
This one says to add 96. Ooh. Well, I know 96 is close to 100 because 6 and 4 make a 10.
They're 10 buddies.
So I'm going to add 4, which means that I have 472 plus 100.
Easy peasy.
That's easy. That equals 572. But since I added an extra 4, I have to now take away a 4.
Compensate, Miss Sexton.
I have to compensate. Thank you for that good word, Miss Huddle. And so 572 minus 4, I'm just going to count backwards for that. 571, 570, 569, 568.
Oh my gosh. Well done. Oh, look at how quick that was.
That was really quick. Thank you for helping me with that.
The compensation strategy. Thanks for tuning in, folks.
Have a great night.